Hi guys, welcome back to Mels Kitchen. In today's video I am going to show you one of the simplest meal to cook, but yet some people find it very difficult. It is very easy if you follow this video step by step. You cannot go wrong. I'm just going to jump right into it and show you guys how to go ahead and make this delicious, simple and easy curry chicken. All you need is some chicken that you can go ahead and cut in medium-sized pieces. Season it by using assorted seasoning, onions, sweet peppers, garlic, thyme, scallion, you name it, you can add those to it. As you guys can see, I'm going ahead and cutting up all my seasoning. I'm also going ahead and cut a potato in medium-sized pieces and putting it, yes, I'm putting my potato in my chicken while seasoning, and I'm also adding some carrots to it that I'm cutting into bite-sized circles right now, and threw everything into this pot onto the chicken. Now curry chicken is one of the most delicious and simplest thing to cook. I'm adding some salt, I'm adding some all-purpose all-purpose seasoning. I'm also adding some chicken seasoning, and of course you cannot curry chicken without the curry, so I'm adding some good old Jamaican curry to the chicken. And what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is add some thyme, and then I'm going to use a spoon, or you can use your hand, whichever you choose. Don't be afraid to get into it and mix that up. Mix that up really good, because you don't want the meat to not marinate and season properly. So you mix that in, and then you just set aside to let marinate, and then a few moments later you can come back and start getting ready. Here I have my Dutch pot. You can't cook curry without your Dutch pot, my girl. So I have a Dutchie. I add a little bit of oil in it, just a small amount. Add everything that is in my pan. You guys can see everything. Leave nothing at all in the pan. Go ahead and mix that up and close your pot. Check back on your pot a few moments later. As you guys can see, it's already steaming, springing its own water. This is what you're looking for. So you have to make sure that you close your pot after you throw everything into the pot. Make sure it's on a medium heat, that way your chicken do not burn, because you don't want your chicken to burn. Mix it up, make sure it's not stuck in, then close it, then come back another few minutes and check it back again. Now you guys can see that it's sticking more than it was sticking before. So this is the point where after you mix, you want to go ahead and add some water. Use the same pan that you season the meat in and add some water, just to ensure that all the meat is covered with water. Once everything is just at the meat, mix and go ahead and close that pot and let your curry chicken cook for about 20 minutes. All you have to do is check back and give it a slight mix to ensure that your chicken is not sticking. You see the water is in the pot, is just at the right amount. And don't worry about your potato, it will not mash out if you follow this method properly, step by step. See, here I come back to check to ensure that nothing is sticking and your potato and your carrot is still intact. This is just ensuring that this curry chicken is getting all the flavors from everything that is in this pot. Don't be afraid to taste your pot, to adjust the salt, to adjust the seasoning if needs be, which if you follow this recipe, I don't think you'll need to add anything to adjust anything. No, just go ahead and close back the pot and check back to ensure that everything is going good. So here I am checking back, and now I realize that my pot is ready for my cornstarch. I mix out a little cornstarch in some water, and you see that my meat is still intact, my potato is still there, carrot is still there, everything is just in place. I'm going to add my cornstarch slowly, gradually adding, ensuring that we have no lumps, ensuring that I'm not making it too thick or too light. You're going for the right consistency, and what I'm seeing right now is just where you need it to be. So now after mixing this for a while, I'm going to go ahead and close my pot to make this simmer some more. And look, you still have your potato and your carrots right there. And after simmering for a little bit, this is the end product. Everything still intact. This look absolutely delicious. You can smell everything in this house, and hopefully you guys follow this step by step and enjoy the simpleness of cooking curry chicken. 20 minutes, that is all you need to cook your perfect curry chicken. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. If you do, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe to Mel's Kitchen, catch up and keep up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.